Hello learners, how are you all? So today we have come up with you a really new topic, which is the advantages and the importance of visiting new places and to go through a new things. So most of the people have a problem with they are not stepping out of their house. They just want to stay stagnated at their home, and that's why they are not getting a chance to approaching a new people, new places and new things. And that's why they always to be get unaware of a new things and exploring the new journey of their life. So today we are going to start and we are covering all kind of things what exactly they are really beneficial for the life, for adapting the new culture and the new things in their life where they are start to growing and enhance their personality very well. So now we are choosing a topic which is the advantages of visiting new places and exploring the journey of the world. So first of all, most of the people they have a problem. They not to be stepping out of their house, and that's why they always to be have a lack of skill set, the lack of journey, the lack of information. But when you start to see a new places, when you start to go to somewhere to see a new things, new people, new places, new atmosphere, new things to can go through, so you get a experience. So first advantages is visiting new places is where you can get experience. Okay, it means you go to the new culture, you get to know that a new culture, people's lifestyle, their language, their things, their rituals, their traditions, and you always go through a several stages. And when you get a chance to experience the new things, and automatically you are enhancing your brain power, your brain start to spark to get adapt the new things, and you also be like that person, and you will get the diversities of India, the diversities of world, how exactly the people are living and what kind of new things they are actually doing in their life. The second one, which is a creativity. Creativity, it means whenever you go somewhere, you get to know that what the things is creatively has been created. Okay, you can go to the some temples, they are the, their idols, their monuments, their designs, their scriptures, they already in the written in the form of their wall in the temples. So you get a chance how the things has been created for, and automatically your brain start to spark and accelerate your journey. Okay, now we can jump on some new things, which is memories. So whenever you start to growing, when you start to going for the journey, so you created a memory. Okay, it means you go through several memories. Okay, and when you go to the in your life, always these kind of memories, they're always to be keep in your mind, and you are sharing your experiences with the others. That's it. So this is the way where you can start to learn new things. You can go through the several experiences, and you get to know that all kind of knowledge what exactly you are surrounded by. The third one, you can go through the mental stressful situation, and you start to get rid of all this. In this time we have a mental fluctuations, the mental disturbances. So in order to get rid of all these problems, then you can start to go to the find a journey. Because when you are in the new journey, so always to be go through a distressful situation, and you start to detoxifying your body, your brain, your mental toughness start to recreating your cells and generating the good new things. Automatically you will get a chance to go approach a new natural life, a good things, and automatically your brain start to functioning very well. It means you already go through a new things. You are not to be surrounded by that kind of people, same place, same work, and all the things you can find are same. That's why you go through a really tough situations. But when you go to the outside of the your new place, it means your same things. So you start to grow. You will get a chance to grow through the several part in your life nobody even can go through. So this is really important to have a knowledge about the importance of visiting places. Because when you go a several places, it means just like a elevated place where you will have to go to the mountain, Okay, if you are going to any river, any beaches, any temples, any village or a cities, so there are the different kind of places will give you the different kind of experiences, and this experience will enhance your life, enhance your journey, elevate your success life, and automatically your attitude going to change. It will come into your personality. So this is my life of experiences, not on this time what exactly I am trying to communicate to you, but this is the truth, and this harsh truth we need to recognize. And why I'm saying this, because in this time most of the people, they just want to stay stagnated at their home. They don't want to step out of their comfort zone. They never want they should to be approached with the world. They don't want even to go with the new world. Why? Because they think that wherever I'm living, it is my safe zone. I'm not getting a chance to approach to another one. And this mentality, they always to be stay stagnated at their home, and they are not getting a chance to get a new experience of their life, new experience of their people, the persons, their mentality, their thought process, their creativity, and what exactly they really want to jump in. That's why the visiting a new places, replacing the things, it's really important as per the time limit. Some things which is really important in our life. So now we can not just to be thinking about what exactly the new places give you the chance. You definitely, you are investing money, you are spending lots of time while you are going to that journey, but the money and time, it is really crucial. That's why you should to use this very wisely. And the money and time will definitely give you the chance to enhance your life based on to giving your importance to the visiting new places. Sorry for the voice disturbances, this kind of vehicles it will come across to me. So in this journey I just want to tell to you why the visiting places and go to a new things to explore, it's really important. And all the time you are getting the summer, rainy season or a winter season, you go through the several seasons, okay, and each season has a different kind of places to visit. Most of the people in the summertime, they go to the the snow places where you can find a very peaceful and a very coolest places. In the rainy season, most of the people go to the some beaches, some river places, or they start to go to climbing on the mountain, or sometimes they uh, go to the very heavy atmosphere where will they get a chance to approach with a new nature thing, okay. Because in the rainy season you always find a greenery, because in this rainy season you find that the greenery is everywhere. That's why everybody's go out wherever the greenery is exist, especially the mountain side. Now we are jumping on the winter. In the winter time, always the finding the places which is the elevated place, which is really tough to handle. So in that winter season you always find the people stepping where the hard to reach, because in the winter season you give you the chance to keep your body calm and you start to learning new things, okay. So each and every experiences will enhance your life, enhance your personality, and change your attitude, because you know that each and every situation is really difficult to handle. It's really important to have, and you go through the several stages of your life and you start to living your lifestyle very differently. So my suggestion is that to each and every person in this time, where they can start to go through a several stages. Now I'm here. Right now you can see some greeneries here. The ships are grazing. Okay, the peoples were walking. Some of the peoples going through a several time, several things, but they just stay stagnated. Why? Because they don't want to step out of their comfort zone. They just want to feel that I'm improving. They think that I'm learning. They think that I'm earning a really handsome amount. They think that I have really good salaries, but actually they're not to be improving. They're improving in this that stage what exactly they really want to improve. But the most of the people, they always to be improving when they start to go through a new stages, a new journey, a new things, a new experiences, and new parts what exactly they really want to live. The money is really important. I'm not saying that the money is not an important, the time is not an important, but the age also really matters. Because once you lose this age, okay, because the most of the time the sum of the places it's really important, and that's age of stage where you can do only at that age, okay, in that 21st of age, okay, in the 22 age, in the 30 age, you can do the certain things, the specific thing. In each and every age you can't do everything in your life. That's why the age is always matter. So recognize your power, recognize your strength, the recognize your potential, and just try to jump on that position what exactly you really want to go through. And people are going through the several stages, they are going through a really painful situations. Most of the people I have seen in my life, they are still struggling for in order to get a really good amount of life. They have going through several diseases, they are going through several pain, several times they are always to be living their lifestyle on the medicines. So do you think that despite they have so many of money, so many of people, so many of power, they have a good potential to crack all the things, but despite they are struggling for, so what you can do? There is a nothing. There is all things is useless until they don't have a actual life of lifestyle. And this lifestyle always come from to going through a new experiences of your life. Always to be remembering money, health, time, and experiences always giving you the good thing, and you can enhance your lifestyle very well. People in this time, they feel that the earning money it's an important, definitely it's an important, it doesn't any other excuses you can do this and you can say this, but the much more than important which is an age. Because once you lose your age, it's lost anything, you lose anything in your life. That's why all the time you always to be pay attention on the age as well, money, a family, good experiences, and the memories too. So keep in your mind, in all the people including me, whatever the things can be accessible in whole year, in whole our lifestyle, don't take care of this, don't talk about the excuses about that one, because you can achieve this in your later. Just like a money, just like the things, any expensive things you can purchase in your life if you have a life of lifestyle, if you have a money, if you have experiences of your life. That's why, but those are the things you never to be purchased in your lifestyle. Only one time is coming, which is the age. The age, once you lose, it will never to be come across to you in your whole life. And once you lose it, it means you should to earn. And how you can earn? To upskill yourself, to uplift yourself, to show your potential, to try to immerse yourself into the new things, the new experiences, the new thought process, the positive thinking, and just go for it. Because wherever I go for the traveling, in that traveling I had to go through a several experiences of my life, okay, to spending money, involving with the people, engage in the part of the traveling, okay, the several vehicles, several people, because each and every person they give you the different kind of experiences. The each and every travel will give you the different kind of new specific part, and they teach you, they start to learn you how to be adapting the situation according to your convenience, according to the what exactly things you or really want to jump in. Okay, all the times all the things is not available for you, what exactly you deserve for, and what you deserve based on your money. Okay, how much money you really want to spend on that kind of convenient travel you can get. Okay, if you have a really good amount of money, you can invest on. So first you can start to earn money and just try to immerse and spend on your lifestyle, always believing on earning money.